Inside the safe that we found in the debris field close to the main shipwreck, we found a safe. And inside there were other parcels. One of those parcels was a saddlebag that in turn, when opened, it contained these pokes. These are canvas cloth bags that are very heavy and appear to have other materials inside of them. We expect it to be gold dust and nuggets and perhaps some of these rocks that we just saw a minute ago, the quartz with the gold in them. Here's a rather spectacular nugget that weighs over an ounce. Nice and worn, probably in a stream. But this is the material that would have been taken to an assay office, such as Kellogg and Humbert, where they would melt it down and turn it into that very first form of precise money that we find in abundance on the Central America, which is the assay ingots, where they would stamp the, their maker's mark, a serial number, but the number of ounces to the hundredth of an ounce, the purity expressed in thousandths, or 1 part per thousand. It's known as fine. Something, for instance, would have been 891 fine. That would mean that it was 89.1% gold. And then that weight and that purity are multiplied times $20.67.2 in order to produce the exact dollar value of the gold in the ingot, and then that is stamped on the ingot as well. Those ingots, in turn, were a convenient way to ship the gold. So the commercial shipment on the Central America contained quite a few of those ingots, over 500 of those ingots, in fact, originally. We recovered 45 more as we continued and completed the excavation of that commercial shipment area in 2014.
Do you know what the largest one you came this go around? Because almost 20 years ago when you went and curated that collection, the largest one was the Eureka bar, which was 80 pounds.
The largest ingot we found this time was it was a Henry Hench ingot that weighed over 300 ounces. It was not over 900 like the Eureka bar, but still a very big ingot and pretty massive, probably a 20 or 25 pound ingot. And it's quite a piece, and we're going to have it on display at the exhibit at Long Beach, the Long Beach Coin and Collectible Exposition.